The living trust within, reclaiming title to the self as estate and executor. 1. The estate you never knew you had. Every man and woman was born into a silent trust. The moment a birth record was registered, an estate was created in your name. You didn't sign for it, you were signed into it. The estate became a legal vessel for your property, labor, and even your future potential. So what does that actually mean? It means your life was collateralized before you could spell your last name. The all-caps name is not identity, it's inventory. It's the legal facade through which all contracts, taxes, and obligations flow. But the living being remains the rightful owner of that estate. The trick is realizing the estate isn't the enemy, it's the asset. Footnote. Registration of birth creates a legal estate in trust form, representing the individual as a separate juridical entity for commercial administration. 2. The three roles in one body. Inside every legal structure, three roles coexist: the beneficiary, the trustee, and the executor. The beneficiary enjoys the fruits, the trustee manages the assets, the executor directs the whole show. Most people unknowingly play the trustee, carrying burdens and liabilities meant for an office, not a soul. So what does that actually mean? It means you've been working for your own employee all your life. When you step into the role of executor, you stop reacting to summonses and start issuing them. The court sees a living authority, not a subordinate subject. You no longer appear, you present. Footnote. Recognizing and occupying the executor role redefines standing in legal relations, converting liability to authority within the estate structure. 3. Separation of the living and the legal. The process of reclamation begins with distinction. The living man or woman must separate their breath from the bond. Through affidavit and notice, one declares that the estate exists as property, not identity. The executor acts as administrator of record, not participant in fiction. So what does that actually mean? It means you can live in the house without becoming the mortgage. This separation allows lawful communication between two sides of the same being, the living, who holds dominion, and the legal, who performs function. The executor governs both with knowledge and written record. Footnote. Separation of living and legal status restores private capacity, allowing lawful management of the estate without personal liability. 4. The signature of authority. A signature without title is a liability, a signature with title is law. The executor signs as authority, by name, executor. This small distinction transforms the act from submission to command. The power lies not in the ink, but in the capacity behind it. So what does that actually mean? It means you're not just signing forms, you're signing reality. Once standing is established, the executor becomes the bridge between public and private law. Every notice, affidavit, or claim flows from that authority. The estate no longer owns you, you administer it. Footnote. Executor signature denotes lawful capacity, establishing personal jurisdiction over the estate and its associated instruments.